In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use HubSpot sequences, focusing on enrolling contacts either individually or based on a list, and smoothly integrating automation through workflows. This will be a comprehensive guide to help you make the most out of HubSpot's sequencing capabilities. Let's start with manual enrollment, which can be done for either single contacts or multiple contacts simultaneously. First, you'll want to navigate to the Sequence tool. To do this, head to the Sales section and select Sequences. Once you're there, open up the Manage tab and choose the sequence you're planning to use. In the top right corner, you'll see an option labeled Enroll Contacts. Go ahead and click that. Here, you'll have the opportunity to select your contacts individually from the panel that appears. Once you've decided who you'd like to enroll, click. Next, to configure some important details. These include the starting step of the sequence, the time zone, which is crucial for ensuring your communications go out at the right moment, and any necessary delay settings. You'll also want to confirm the sender settings to make sure your emails are coming from the appropriate representative of your organization. Before proceeding, pay special attention to any personalization tokens you're using in your sequence. HubSpot uses these tokens to insert personalized details like names or company information automatically. If there are any issues or missing information, address these now to avoid sending incomplete messages. Once everything looks good, you'll hit Start Sequence, and those contacts will be officially enrolled. There's also another way to enroll contacts manually, either from the Contacts or Lists page. For the Contacts page, within your CRM, simply select the desired contacts, then look for the Enroll in Sequence option in the toolbar and click it. Alternatively, if you're working from the Lists page, start by navigating to CRM and then Lists. Open the list you are working with and select up to 50 contacts at a time. You'll find that bulk selection is allowed here. Once your selection is complete, click Enroll in Sequence. Keep in mind, though, that while you can enroll up to 50 contacts in one go, HubSpot sets a limit to the speed at which emails are sent, capping it at 3 emails per minute to avoid overwhelming email servers and spamming inboxes. This also aligns with respecting daily send limits, which is important for maintaining email deliverability and avoiding potential penalties from email service providers. Following these steps will help ensure you can effectively manage your contact communication through HubSpot sequences, making sure each correspondence is timely, personalized, and professional. Be sure to take your time configuring each setting to meet your needs, and don't hesitate to revisit this guide as needed. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.